Hey guys, welcome back to the journey based DSC course. लास्ट वीडियो में हम लोगों ने देखा था एरेस के ऑपरेशंस, बेसिकली सूडो कोड ऑफ दैट, और उसको ड्राई रन भी किया था. इट इज काइंड ऑफ इजी. बेसिकली 5 ऑपरेशंस हम लोगों ने देखा था. उसी 5 ऑपरेशन को एक्चुअली कोड करेंगे हम लोग यहाँ पे जावा में. सो डायरेक्टली कोड करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. मैंने 2 क्लासेस बनाए हुए हैं, एरे और माई एरे. एरे में बेसिकली द बेसिक थिंग्स आई एम गोइंग टू डू, लाइक स्कैनर ऑब्जेक्ट लेना, एलिमेंट लेना, एरेस डिक्लेरेशन करना. बट माई एरे बेसिकली ऑल द ऑपरेशंस आई एम गोइंग टू राइट. फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन इज इंसर्शन ऑपरेशन. सो सबसे पहले एक एरे क्रिएट करते हैं और बेसिकली देखते हैं एक एरे में एलिमेंट को कैसे इंसर्ट करना रहता है. इंट arr इज इक्वल टू न्यू इंट. लेट्स सपोज द लेंथ ऑफ एन एरे इज 10. ठीक है. इंसर्ट करने के लिए हम लोग एक इंसर्ट फंक्शन बनाएंगे यहाँ पे, void insert, जो ऑफ कोर्स एरे लेगा जिसमें इंसर्ट करना है, और एक एलिमेंट लेगा जो हमें इंसर्ट करना है. एक साइज वेरिएबल में बनाता हूँ जो बेसिकली ट्रैक करेगा करेंटली एरे में कितने एलिमेंट है. ठीक है. तो अगर इफ साइज इज लेस देन arr.length, that means I can insert the element. Otherwise, I can't insert the element. I've created the object of this myArray using myArray obj is equal to new myArray so that I can use the function of myArray. So let's call obj.insert and pass this array. And let's suppose I have to insert 5. And how I'm going to insert is I'm going to directly write arr of 0, currently 0. We will see how to insert in a particular position later. At currently 0, I'm inserting. After the insertion, so I have to see also whether the element is inserted or not. arr plus arr of 0. Okay. So it will work fine. Let's run this. So yeah, element is inserted, 5 is printed. Let's put the space over here. Okay. Yeah, 5 is inserted. Now the thing is, I have to insert an array in a particular position. Okay. So for that case, I'm going to ask something from the user. Here I'm going to ask the element also from the user. ELE is equal to sc dot next int. Okay. I'm also going to ask a position from the user, sc dot next int. So element और position uses मैंने ले लिया. अब ये सारा पास भी करना है मेरे को. Okay. और that is passed, but here I have to catch also that position. So now what I have to do is I have to put a particular element in a particular position. So let's suppose if there is an element exists in that particular position, what I'm going to do is I can shift the element, but it is kind of the shifting, but at start I have to insert, so in a particular position. So pos minus 1 is equal to ele, just that's it, to insert an element in a particular position. And I'm printing that pos minus 1. Okay, let's run. So let's suppose I have to insert 5. Suppose I have to insert 5. Which position? Second position. 5 is printed on a second position. Okay. Now our next concern is to basically delete an element from the array. Here after insertion I have to increase the size also so that it can keep track. So let's create a delete function, void delete. It will take of course an array, and you can delete an element, or also you can delete an element from particular position. So let's suppose I have to delete an element from a particular position. So let's take that position. Okay, so just use pos minus 1 equal to 0. like it convert that element into 0, so that 0 is kind of empty for us in an array. So we can just decide the element is deleted successfully from that particular position. Okay, now the next concern is to search an element. Okay, obj.delete is kind of this array or position. So let's run this code first, so that we'll check whether the element is deleted or not. After deleted, I have to decrease the size also. Let's suppose I'm giving 5 at position 2. I have to insert, but after insertion, it is kind of inserted, then it is kind of deleted also, so that it is showing 0 on that particular position. Now I have to, before searching, let's update int arr int pos. I have to update in a particular position arr of pos -1 is equal to ele. Let's take element also from the user. Okay, it will basically replace the existing element from the new element. So I've created the update obj.update arr comma position comma element. So again, it is kind of insertion, but we can make it this code in kind of good manner, like we can check if the position is empty or not, like that. So वो सब चेक करने से थोड़ा सा ऑथेंटिकेशन बढ़ जाता है, चीज़ें डिलीट होने की चांसेस कम रहती है. ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग ऑन अ बेसिक लेवल देख रहे हैं एरे को क्रिएट कैसे करते हैं, ये सारे ऑपरेशन कैसे करते हैं, और जैसे जैसे हम लोग कोड करेंगे, एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन करेंगे, तो उस टाइम थोड़ा ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी मिलेगी. ओके, सो इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ अपडेटेड. Let's see. And suppose 5 on a third position, it will print 5 also, because on that particular position the element is again inserted. So insertion is successful. Now I have to display, let's suppose, the array. Okay, just remove this. Now I have display function, void display. It is going to take an array. Okay, बेसिकली हम लोग array में आइटरेट करके एक एक एलिमेंट को प्रिंट करवाने वाले हैं. ठीक है, तो फॉर ईच लूप हम लोग भी यूज कर सकते हैं, और भी बहुत सारे लूप्स हैं, बट हियर आई एम यूजिंग फॉर ईच लूप int iterable element, let's suppose e in arr. Okay, and just print e now. Okay, what is this? I have to remove this. I have to put this over here. Okay, now it is good. Now let's run the code. 5 second position. What it has done, it has printed the element from start to all the 10 position. It's kind of display. Okay, we can also create a search operation in that, but we'll see actually in the searching algorithm, that kind of things. So yeah, this is kind of the basic structure of an array, and yeah, from here we have started actually coding, and in the next video we'll see the CP problems based on array. So yeah, I'm wrapping this video over here, signing off.